Hey guys, it's Yvette and welcome to day 11 of my Vlogmas. I'm having a good time doing this. So far so good. Haven't had even like an inkling of wanting to quit or anything, at least not yet. I do have my advent calendars to open, but then I also have a couple of little extras. So I'll be sharing that with you as well. First thing I want to do is give a little update on little sweetie. Last night, she did not show up at the house, and so I was a bit worried. But apparently she came this morning and Jim gave her brekkie, and so I was really happy about that. I didn't see her, but Jim saw her, and so we were good. And then when I got home tonight, I saw her outside. Normally my routine is I get home and after I get out of the car, I go over to the deck to see if she's sitting there and waiting for dinner. And I did not, at first I didn't see her because Jim had the porch light on, the back porch light on, but where she normally sits and waits, she wasn't there. But then I saw her little eyes poking out on the steps, and I thought, oh, okay, there she is. So I went and I, checked the mail and all that kind of stuff. And then I came in and it looked like the kids had been fed. So I said to Jim, I was like, did you feed little sweetie? Like, did you see her or, whatever? He says, yeah, I fed her. He said, is she still out there? And I said, yeah, she's still there. Because usually what she'll do is she'll eat and then she leaves. So he says, well, maybe you should give her some more food. Maybe she's still hungry. So I thought, okay. So I fixed her a little bit more food and put it out for her. And Jellybean ran out there. I was like, Jellybean, he is not an outdoor cat. And I do not want to encourage this. So I went and picked him up, but I tried to go really slow so I wouldn't scare her. She did go down the steps a little, but then as soon as I came back, I was encouraging her to come back and I had the food down. So I went back in the house, closed the door so that she's not scared. And then she came back and she ate. She didn't finish every single thing I gave her, but almost. So it's so cold she needs the extra calories. I don't know. But I did make a little video while we were watching her have her meal. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll attach that so that you can see her. It's not a spectacular video because I'm in the house. I'm on the other side of glass. It's not the best, but you'll get to see her. And she did look up at us a couple of times, so that was cool. Okay, so let's get started on the advent calendars. I know that's what you're here for. And first we have our cotton cuts. So let me pull out number 11. And there it is. I love how they have this thing organized. I could tell you. Who's over there? Is that Mr. JB? Oh, my nose is itchy again, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, number 11. Let's get it open. What is our fat quarter du jour? Or du jour. Du jour. Sorry, all the French people are yelling at me. Du jour. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. That is very true. And okay, so here is our fat quarter for today. I love that. It's very festively Christmassy, isn't it? And look how they keep matching with my fingernails lately. Okay, let's see if we have a selvage that I can see. And nope, not today. Today we do not. So I'm not sure what this collection is, but I really like it. So if you guys know what it is, you can share that. That would be great. And when I get to the end of this, we'll take a look at how everything looks all together. I can't wait. I'm keeping them all together, so I'm not misplacing anything or whatever. Okay, so next let's open the Advent door for the Stitch Supply Company. here it is, number 11. And I got a bunch of squigglies. Wow, I got a lot of squigglies. Like, holy cow. Can't believe, is there anything in there? Oh, yeah, there is. Ooh. It's a keychain. I can tell that. Okay. I've got like squigglies all over the place. I like squigglies though. It's a telephone. It's a telephone. I have no idea what this has to do with stitching or quilting or anything, but it is an old-fashioned telephone, which, yes, I did use back in the day. We'll say that. And it's pink. Does it say who? It says Melody Miller on the back. So perhaps she has an Etsy store. I'm not sure. And it's just keychain loose in the door. Okay, so I'm going to just put it back in there. Let me see if I can get... Well, probably... Have I been... Oh, no, I haven't been putting the squigglies back. I don't think I need to do that. Of course, it might go flying all over, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I put that back into door number 11 so I can keep everything together. Oops, I just popped a door. Okay, I'm going to put my squigglies away. I always reuse all of that too. Okay, and finally, we are going to open the, the Stitchy Box. And I'll have to find number 11. Oops. Oh, right on top. I must have done that on purpose. There it is. Does it say? Yep, day 11. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this one's, it's almost like this one has been glued down. My goodness. I mean, like, seriously, guys, glue. They have not done that before. Oh, I see. It's because of where they taped it. Okay, no worries. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's odd. That's very odd. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just... Day 11. We have received a burlap stocking. Let me repeat that. I have a burlap stocking. Attach a bit of stitching to turn this into a fabulous Christmas decoration, or use it as wrapping for a small present. We like to hide those in the tree in my family. Okay. Y'all, I mean, I'm so sorry. I love it. Okay, we got a burlap stocking. Okay, that's amazeballs. I'm so happy to have that. Let's share the other stuff that I have for today. The first thing I have is a Christmas card from Del Marie. Thank you so much, Del Marie. I'll show you guys the card. I don't ever read the messages because I feel like those are personal, but it's a very cute little card. I'm gonna have to try to figure out a way to like hang them up if I get them. It says, "'Tis the season." It's a very cute card. And it says, "A simple greeting piled high with wishes for a warm and cozy holiday." Thank you so much. And she sent that to me and Jim. I appreciate it. I know Jim will appreciate it. I have, I think I might have some of that. I have to see what I did with it. Because see, the little clothespins that I get from Joy with Julie, I know that I found a whole pile of them and I put them in a box somewhere. Don't ask me where. But if I had that right now, boy, that'd be perfect. I could just like hang the twine up and then use the little thing. I'll figure something out. I'm going to start hanging them up. I'm very excited. I was so happy to get this. Thank you so much, Del Marie. Okay, so I have also received from Framed, the t-shirt club. I got a t-shirt. And I don't think I think maybe the last couple of shirts that I got, I didn't show you guys. And I don't remember if I canceled this or not. The only reason I would is because, you know, I mean, here's my thing is the colors that we have been receiving. Of course, I started like what, at the beginning of fall or something. They've all been colors that, quite honestly, I don't really like. So I don't remember if I canceled it yet or not, but I was going to kind of, in my mind, I was thinking, oh, I'll wait until I get the Christmas, you know, the December one and see, are the colors going to start changing? Or are all of them going to be like burnt rust and all this? Because that's just not me. I love the designs that they've been putting on them, but I don't care for the colors. Anyway, let's see what's in this one. I'm excited. I love getting t-shirts. I love t-shirts for sure. Okay, so I'm pretty sure everybody gets the same t-shirt. So we just, and I love how like they put this size. They put on the outside, it says, December t-shirt club. And right there, what you don't see that I just cut says L large. Okay, now the whole world knows my size. Anyway, not that it matters, but it strikes me as funny every time. Okay. There's a little card in here that says, framed by Sarah. And there's a mug that says, I survived 2020. Let go of the past. Be grateful for the present. Look forward to the future. It's very cute. Okay, now it's a black t-shirt. That's better. And it's long sleeve, so that's good. Oh, cool. It says feeling festive. That looks really large, but that's okay. That's good. I'd rather that it be too big than too small, so that's fine. I like that one. I might have to go and check and see if I've already canceled and maybe I can renew it or something. I don't know, give it a chance. To give it a chance. I do like black shirts. Black's fine. Although I end up wearing cats all over me, but that's okay. Okay, I like this. I'm liking this. And their shirts, like when you first get them, they're soft, but they're not like, they don't feel like super, super soft. But after you wash it like the first time, and then every time after that, they just get softer and softer. I kind of feel that way about at least one of the variations of like the shirts that I have made for Piecing It Real. So, yeah, it's really nice. So I definitely make sure that I wash it at least once before I wear it, because then it's like much softer. Okay, so I'll give you guys information about the Framed by Sarah t-shirt club down below. And if it's something you want to go check out, you can go and do that. It is not an affiliate link. I know that there are some people who think that I should not be making money off of that. Most of you guys are not those people, but I do have a lot of other people coming over for Vlogmas. So I always like to make sure that people know, if you go and get this, it's all on your own, and I have no discount codes. I have nothing. I just show you what I get, and that's about it. I think this is, for just the t-shirt, it is $20 a month plus $5 flat rate shipping. And there are different variations. So you'll see that if you go over to her site, she has just a t-shirt. She has t-shirt and some jewelry, or there's a whole bunch of different variations. So go check it out. See if it's something that you like. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for coming to day 11, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. There's little sweetie. Jim fed her, and then I got home, and she was still sitting outside. And Jim said maybe she needs some more food, so we fed her again. Give her some extra. There's Jellybean. Jellybean watches over her. Oh, there she is looking at us. Hi, little sweetie. She needs the calories. It's so cold out. What you think, Smudgy? Huh? What's going on, buddy? Okay, I won't make you guys watch her forever and ever, but I just want you to see. Oh, there she is again. This is her second bowl of food. So there she is. How old do you think she is? It's nighttime, so she's got a big shadow, but... See, I'm thinking like 1 or 2. She might even be older than that. And then we set up that little thing for her to sleep in, and it's over there, but she hasn't gone in yet. All the way to the left there. So we'll just keep working with her. What you think, Jellybean? You want her to come in? Do you like little sweetie? Yeah. We'll have to see, buddy. If she doesn't want to come in, we'll just take care of her, okay? We'll just say hello. Yeah, we'll just do that.